Believe it or not, a whopping 80% of dieters regain the weight they lost within a year. Yes, you heard it right. It's a shocking truth, isn't it? You might be wondering why this happens. Well, the main culprits are often unsustainable diet plans and a lack of regular exercise. Many of us fall into the trap of quick-fix diets that promise rapid weight loss. But unfortunately, these diets are often so restrictive that they're impossible to stick to for long. And once we go back to our old eating habits, the weight just piles back on. Now, couple this with insufficient exercise and you've got the perfect recipe for weight regain. But fear not. In this video, we're going to explore scientifically backed strategies for sustainable weight loss. So, if you're tired of the weight loss, weight gain cycle, you're in the right place. But don't worry, we're here to break the cycle and to lose weight for good. The secret to successful weight loss isn't a secret at all. It's science. Let's take a look at the scientific pillars of weight loss, starting with the concept of a calorie deficit. Put simply, this means burning more calories than you consume. When your body needs energy and it doesn't get it from food, it turns to your fat stores and voila, you lose weight. Now, not all calories are created equal. This brings us to the importance of macronutrients, proteins, fats, and carbohydrates. Each of these plays a unique role in your body. Proteins, for instance, are the building blocks of your muscles. Fats are a concentrated source of energy and support cell growth, while carbohydrates provide quick energy and are crucial for brain function. So, do you need to cut out carbs to lose weight? Absolutely not. This is one of those weight loss myths that needs debunking. What's important is the quality of the carbohydrates you consume. Opt for whole grains, fruits, and vegetables over processed foods. Moving on, let's talk about the benefits of regular exercise. Exercise helps you burn calories and build muscles, which in turn increases your metabolism. It's a virtuous cycle of weight loss. But remember, it's not just about the number of hours you spend in the gym. The type of exercise matters too. A mix of cardio and strength training is often considered the most effective. Now here's a fun fact. Ever heard of the saying, laughter is the best medicine? Well, it turns out laughing can burn calories too. A hearty laugh can burn around 10 to 40 calories depending on the intensity and duration. So go on, watch that funny cat video, it's for your health. The science of weight loss is about creating a calorie deficit, understanding the role of macronutrients, and incorporating regular exercise into your routine. But remember, weight loss is a journey, not a race. It's about making sustainable changes, not quick fixes. You're not just shedding pounds, you're gaining health. So take it slow, be consistent, and trust in the process. Now that we've understood the science, let's talk about nutrition. Nutrition is the keystone of weight loss. It's not just about eating less, it's about eating right. Let's start with protein. It's not just for bodybuilders, you know. Protein is a crucial player in satiety, that feeling of fullness you get after a meal. When you consume protein, your body releases a hormone called PYY, which sends a signal to your brain saying, hey, we're full over here. Eating a high-protein diet can help you feel fuller throughout the day, reducing those pesky cravings and helping you eat fewer calories overall. Next up, fiber. Fiber is the unsung hero of weight loss. It slows down digestion and stabilizes blood sugar levels, helping you feel satisfied longer. Plus, it's great for your gut health, so it's a win-win. And let's not forget about hydration. You've probably heard the 8 glasses a day rule, right? Well, it's not just about keeping your skin glowing. Staying hydrated can also help control your appetite and support your metabolism. Now, let's talk about empty calories and nutrient-dense foods. Empty calories are foods that are high in energy, but low in nutritional value, like sugary drinks and processed snacks. On the other hand, nutrient-dense foods like fruits, vegetables, and whole grains pack a lot of nutrition into relatively few calories. Swapping empty calories for nutrient-dense foods is a simple, effective way to support your weight loss journey. Remember, it's not about deprivation. It's about making smart choices that nourish your body and support your goals. As the Bible says, whether you eat or drink or whatever you do all to the glory of God. 1 Corinthians 10:31. Our bodies are temples, so let's treat it with the respect it deserves. Now let's get to the fun part, food. One of my all-time favorite healthy dinner recipes is a simple roasted vegetable medley. It's a delightful mix of colorful vegetables like bell peppers, zucchini, and carrots, all tossed in a sprinkle of blended herbs. Roasting these vegetables brings out their natural sweetness. Now you might be wondering why I'm raving about vegetables. Well, they're low in calories and high in fiber, making them a perfect choice for weight loss. Plus, the variety of colors means you're getting a wide range of antioxidants. Just like Proverbs 27:7 said, "The full soul loatheth a honeycomb, but to the hungry soul, every bitter thing is sweet." It's all about our perspective. Next up is a zesty grilled tofu salad. This isn't your average boring salad. It's packed with lean protein from the tofu, healthy fats from the avocado, and a bounty of vitamins and minerals from the mixed greens. The dressing, a tangy blend of lemon, maple syrup, and mustard, adds a punch of flavor without the excess calories that come with store-bought dressings. Remember, protein is essential for muscle repair and growth, and eating a high-protein diet can help you feel fuller for longer. For all my stir-fry lovers out there, I've got a treat for you: a scrumptious veggie stir-fry. This dish is brimming with a variety of colorful veggies. It's stir-fried in a bit of sesame oil, which adds a lovely depth of flavor. If you're not using oil at this time, it's easy to stir-fry in a bit of broth or even water. And the best part of this dish? It's ready in less than 30 minutes. Fast, healthy, and delicious. What more could you ask for? For those with a bit of a sweet tooth, don't worry. I've got you covered with a dessert that's both delicious and nutritious. A bowl of mixed berries topped with a dollop of vegan Greek yogurt. Berries are low in calories and high in fiber, making them a great choice for weight loss. Plus, they're packed with antioxidants that can help fight inflammation. The vegan yogurt adds a creamy texture and a boost of protein. Revisiting the topic of hydration for a moment, water is crucial for all bodily functions, including metabolism. So make sure you're drinking enough throughout the day. And for those times when you want something a little more exciting, why not try infused water? Just add slices of your favorite fruits, herbs, or even cucumber to a jug of water and let it infuse for a few hours. It's a refreshing and low-calorie way to stay hydrated. Remember, it's not about depriving yourself, it's about enjoying what you eat while nourishing your body. So go ahead, give these recipes a try and let me know how you like them. Now, let me share a little bit of my own weight loss journey with you. A few years back, I was in a place where I felt stuck in my own body. I was carrying around extra pounds that were weighing me down, both physically and emotionally. I was tired all the time, my clothes didn't fit right, and I was just downright unhappy with myself. I knew I needed to make a change, but I wasn't sure where to start. I started by educating myself about nutrition and the science of weight loss. I read books, visited websites, talked to experts, and started experimenting with healthier food choices. I discovered that weight loss wasn't just about eating less, but about eating right. It was about fueling my body with the nutrients it needed to function at its best. One of the biggest challenges I faced was finding healthy recipes that were also delicious. I love food, and I didn't want to feel like I was depriving myself. That's when I started experimenting in the kitchen, trying out different ingredients and cooking methods to create dishes that were both nutritious and satisfying. I discovered a love for cooking that I never knew I had, and it became an integral part of my weight loss journey. The results didn't come overnight. There were times when I felt like I was taking 2 steps forward and 1 step back. But I kept going, reminding myself that progress is progress, no matter how small. Over time, I started to see changes. My clothes started fitting better, I had more energy, and I found myself feeling happier and more confident. The journey wasn't easy, but it was worth it. And the best part? I didn't do it alone. I had the support of my family, my friends, and a community of people who were on the same journey. We shared recipes, swapped stories, and cheered each other on. So here I am today, sharing my story with you. Not because I have all the answers, but because I want you to know that change is possible. It's not about being perfect. It's about being persistent. It's about taking small steps every day towards a healthier, happier you. Before we wrap up, we have a few bonus tips for you. First off, let's talk about sleep. You might be thinking, what does sleep have to do with weight loss? Well, I'll tell you. When you're sleep deprived, your body produces more of the hormone ghrelin, which signals your brain that it's time to eat. At the same time, your body makes less of the hormone leptin, which tells your brain that you're full. So, lack of sleep can lead to overeating. Plus, when you're tired, you're less likely to make healthy food choices. So make sure you're getting 7 to 9 hours of sleep every night. Now, let's move on to stress management. Chronic stress can lead to weight gain by triggering your body to release the hormone cortisol, which increases your appetite. Plus, stress can make it harder to make healthy food choices. So it's important to find healthy ways to manage stress, like yoga, meditation, or even just a walk in the park. Remember that scripture from the book of Proverbs? A joyful heart is good medicine, but a crushed spirit dries up the bones. So, laugh a little, or a lot. Laughter is not just good for the soul, it's good for the body too. It helps to reduce stress and even burns a few calories. Now let's talk about hydration. Drinking plenty of water can help with weight loss. It can make you feel full, so you eat less. Plus, it's essential for your body's metabolic processes. So try to drink at least 8 glasses of water a day. And if you're not a fan of plain water, you can always add a slice of lemon or cucumber for a little flavor. And finally, let's not forget about physical activity. Regular exercise not only helps you burn calories, but it also improves your mood and gives you energy. And it doesn't have to be a grueling gym session. It could be a brisk walk, a dance class, or even gardening. The key is to find something you enjoy doing, so you'll stick with it. Well, there you have it. A few bonus tips to help you on the weight loss journey. Remember, the journey to weight loss is a marathon, not a sprint. It's about making small, sustainable changes that add up over time. Before we say goodbye, I'd like to encourage you to like this video if you found it helpful. And remember to subscribe to the channel for more great content. We'd love to hear from you too, so feel free to leave a comment below. And as the saying goes, the only impossible journey is the one you never begin. So start your journey today. Until next time.